Hi. In this video, we will see how to create a sales order. Go to New Sales Order first, in Sales Order Processing. Select the type of sales order. Please enter the customer name and select the customer ID. Enter the customer order number and date. Please select the finished goods, for which order is being registered. The system will create a batch number or enter a batch number. Batch number is mandatory. Please enter the delivery date by which item to be delivered. Enter the price and quantity. The tax will be automatically calculated and click Save Item. If you want, you can add more items or delete the items saved. Please note, the batch number is mandatory. Then you can print the sales order. The sales order will be shown with all details, including the tax, total order value and the batch number. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.